drama. So this is my view. Raining. We are here in my in-laws. This is the garden. And you see that gabi? They are eating that one. This is what happened when one of your child is having tantrums. She makes so much tantrum. We stay in one corner of the house and now it's raining. So she come down when she sees the rain outside, the raindrops, and the leaves moving. I think it kinda suits her. That's why we are here in this portion of the house. Now she is slowly falling asleep. So my advice to the mother out there who having their kids tantrums or they're making trouble, take them outside, let them suit themselves with the nature. Especially when it rains, let them watch the raindrop, let them watch the leaves moving. It will suit them. So I finally put her down in the bed. Finally, I am going able to relax, fix myself. Rain, rain, rain.